That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so...
Critter Cavern is filled with some of my favorite underground critter pals, but be careful, we don't want to disturb them. Move right by tapping here. Move left by tapping here. And jump by tapping here. Move right and jump by tapping here. I love collecting glowworms.
Alabama cave shrimp spend their entire life in pools of water deep in the darkest parts of caves.
I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend! False scorpions eat tiny bugs like mites and lice. How I love collecting glowworms. I love collecting glowworms.
Cave salamanders spend their lives in dark caves.
I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend!
The Bone Cave Harvestman is often found under large rocks where it is damp.
How I love collecting glowworms.
The Ozark blind cavefish can sense movement in the water to help it find food.
Congratulations, Cave Hunter! We made it through the tunnel in time.
Hey, I really want to take pictures of my cave-dwelling critter friends, but I'm not exactly sure how to find them.
If I may, Daisy, knowing the points on a compass is a super great way to figure out where you are and where you're going. Just follow these directions and you'll be taking pictures in no time. In this maze, when north flashes, it's telling you to go 1 block up. When south flashes, it's telling you to go 1 block down. When west flashes, it's telling you to go 1 block left. And when east flashes, it's telling you to go 1 block right. Unless you're blocked by a wall. Easy, right? Now let's find those critters. West, north, east, south. Looks like you need to find the cave beetle. Just head in the direction that the compass indicates. Tap one of the lit squares to move to that position. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the cave beetle. Hey, we figured this compass thing out. Yay, you. Let's find another critter for my photo album. Looks like you need to find the cave crayfish. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the cave crayfish. We got another great photo. Let's do it again. Looks like you need to find the cave shrimp. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go south. Daisy, go east. Looks like we found the cave shrimp. Hey, we figured this compass thing out. Yay, you. Let's find another critter for my photo album. Looks like you need to find the creek cave snail. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go north! Looks like we found the creek cave snail. Let's photograph another critter. Looks like you need to find the little brown bat. Daisy, go north! Daisy, go west! Daisy, go north! Daisy, go north! Daisy, go west! Daisy, go south! Looks like we found the little brown bat. Let's photograph another critter. Looks like you need to find the false scorpion. Daisy, go south! Daisy, go west! Daisy, go west! Daisy, go north! Looks like we found the false scorpion.
Man, oh man, you really know your compass directions. We finished my photo album and we've earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault. Sweet! That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so put it in the right place.
Great work! All the special keys are in place. Now all we need to do is turn the handle.
Open sesame! I smell toys.
Oh no! There goes that really bad dog Bart! We've missed him again!
But we got the toys back.
And look at our glowworm dance party. This makes me want to go back and collect more glowworms.
These glowworms really can bust a move. Makes me want to join them.
Me too. Yay! Sweet!
Yippee! Let's shake it, baby!
Me too! Yay!
Let's dance!